in this video I am going to show you how to create a contact form in WordPress. We are going to create two forms, a simple form which will include name, email, number and message field, and then we are going to create advanced form. This will include all the basic fields with date picker, time picker and also file upload system. So let's see how we can create these forms and add them to our website. So at first we are going to create a simple form. So we are going to log into our WordPress website dashboard. From the dashboard we are going to click on plugins and then we will click on add new. Now here we are going to search for wpforms and we are going to install this first plugin. So we will click on install now button. Our plugin is now installed, so I will click on activate button. So once the plugin is activated, we will be redirected to the WP Forms page. From here we are going to click on create your first form. Now it will show us a lot of options. Some of them are free and some of them are pro. These one are free and these are pro. So what we can do now is that we can create our form using the template that is already provided by WP Forms, or we can create our form from scratch. So we are going to use this template called simple contact form. So I will hover over it and I will click on use template. Later on I will also teach you how you can create your form from scratch. So this is the form we have just created using the template. So let's see how we can customize our form. In order to customize any field, just click on it and on the left side a new window will open. From here you can change the label and the format. The text you see over here is called label. So we can change it from here. And from here we can change the format of our name. So we can set it to simple. So it will show up in a one field, and we can also change it to first, middle, last. So I will set it to first and last name. And from here you can change the field setting. You can set it to required or not required. Now click on advanced setting. From here you can change the size of the field. You can add placeholder to the form. Placeholder is the text that you will see inside the field, like this one. So I will add the text. So this is the text that you will see inside the field, and also you can hide the label of the field. And now we are going to perform the settings of our form. So I will click on settings, and at first we are going to do journal settings. From here we can change the name of the form, and also we can change submit button. So I will change it to send. That's it for the journal tab. Now click on notifications. So this is the most important section. Whenever someone will submit the form on our website, from here we can set where we will receive our form. You can set it as it is, or you can add your admin email here. Then click on confirmations. This is when someone will submit the form. We will show them a message, thank you for contacting us, or we can show a page, or we can also redirect them to another URL. So this is how you can create a simple WordPress form. Now at first we are going to see how we can add this form into simple WordPress pages, and then we are going to see how we can add this form into Elementor WordPress pages. So in order to add these to simple WordPress pages, just go to WordPress dashboard and then click on pages and then click on add new. Now click on this plus icon. And then click on shortcode. Now go back to your contact form plugin, and then from the top click on embed, and then click on use a shortcode, and then copy this shortcode from here and then paste it here. Now add a title to the page and then click on publish button. So in this way your form will be added to your simple WordPress pages. Let's see how we can add this form to Elementor pages. So go back to dashboard and then click on all pages. I want to add this form to the About Us page, so I will hover over it and then I will click on Edit with Elementor. I want to add it to the bottom of the page, so I will scroll down to the bottom of the page and then I will add a new section. And then I will click on this plus button and from here I will search for wpforms. Now just drag this widget to the section and from here we are going to select our form that we have just created. So now our form is ready to our page. So let's see how we can make it better. So I will click on this section and then I will click on background and then I will add an image background to this section. Just select the image and then click on insert media. Then from here I will set it to center and repeat I will set to no repeat, and then size I will set it to cover. Then I will add an background overlay, so I will click on this and then from the color I will select black and then I will increase the opacity and then I will click on again section, and now I am going to give a little bit of padding to the section, so I will click on it and then I will give it 50 from the top and then 50 from the bottom. So now I will click on update button and then I will click on these 3 lines and then click on view page. As you can see that our form is now added to our page. So this is how you can create a simple WordPress form and add it to your WordPress pages and then Elementor pages. And now we are going to see how we can create an advanced form for free. So if we go back to wpforms page, from here you can see that all the advanced options are paid, like date and time, file upload, phone, etc. are paid. So now I am going to teach you how you can use these fields for free and create an advanced form for free. So I will go back to my WordPress website dashboard and from here I will click on plugins and then click on add new. Here we are going to search for Forminator and now we are going to install this first plugin. So I will click on install now button and then I will click on activate button. This is the plugin that we are going to use to create advanced forms for free. So once the plugin is installed, from the left side I will click on this Forminator section and then I will click on forms. And from here I will click on create button. Just like wpforms, Forminator also provides us templates that we can use to create our forms. So we are going to use the contact us template. So I will click on it and then I will click on continue. And now I am going to give it a name. And then I will click on create button. So now our form is created using the template. And now we are going to see how we can add advanced functions to our form. So I will scroll down and then click on insert field button. At first we are going to select date picker and then I will click on insert field, and now we can change the settings for this field. From here we can set the type of this field. We can change from calendar to drop down and we can also change it to text inputs. So I will set it to calendar and from the settings I will change it to optional or required, and then I will set it to required and then I will click on apply. Now we are going to add time picker. So I will click on time picker and then click on insert field. From here we can change the type of it. So I will set it to drop down and then I will set it to 24 hours, and here we can enter the label for it, and from the setting we can also change it from required and optional. So I will also set it to required and then I will click on apply. Now we are going to add time picker. So I will click on time picker and then click on insert field. From here we can change the type of it. So I will set it to drop down and then I will set it to 24 hours, and here we can enter the label for it, and from the setting we can also change it from required and optional. So I will also set it to required And now we are going to add file upload field to our form. So I will click on insert field, and then I will click on file upload, and then I will click on insert fields. We can set the type of our file upload field to single or multiple. I will set it to multiple, and from the settings I will set it to required, and then I will click on apply. This is the most advanced and free plugin that you can use to create your forms for your website. If I click on insert field, and from here you can see that we can also integrate payment methods with our form. We can also use Stripe, with the help of which we can accept credit card and debit card payments on our website, and also we can use PayPal on our website to accept payments. So I will close this from here, and then I will click on publish. Now if you want to add this form to your WordPress pages, just copy this code from here, go to your pages, and then add this shortcode there, and in this way your form will be working on your pages. So this is how we can create simple and advanced forms on our WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.